So it's been rumored for quite some time that the Olympics will be completely doing away with boxing as a sport altogether. And from what I'm hearing behind closed doors, it's going to happen sooner than later. To me, this could be a death blow for the sport of boxing professionally, because everyone knows that the Olympic Games is what catapults a fighter's popularity from local to global, and that gives him that built-in fan base, so he then has the leverage to negotiate with the top promoters to really be compensated properly. Because without that, it's basically kind of like starting out a career in UFC. That's what separates pay-wise boxing from UFC in a lot of ways, that Olympic pedigree. Because if Dana White had to deal with gold medalist MMA fighters that were already international stars before he met them, he would have to be paying a whole lot more money if he wanted to sign those same guys. So the only answer is, in my opinion, we're going to have to come up with an alternative platform to springboard these fighters, their accomplishments from local to global. Otherwise, in my opinion, it's going to discourage the fans from watching the sport that's already lacking talent, and they've already been sick of the robberies. There's always been an off and on, love-hate relationship with the people in boxing, and it is one of the oldest sports and one of the longest running pastimes sports-wise internationally, aside from soccer. And to me, it's something that it's not regulated properly. And without that popularity from the Olympics, I think it might be a death blow. But you tell me what you think in the comment section. What could be a good replacement for the Olympics? And if we don't find one, will that be the end of professional boxing? Tell me what you think in the comment section. Till then, like, subscribe, comment, share. Go check me out on Instagram at coach.v_. My online course is out now. Link is in the description. Till the next time, we out of here. Out.